coupling all the engines together now for the massive ride at the end. That's Owl eating. And you've got trains up there waiting to come on.
The 2 coaches there that we're going to now couple up, I think.
They might couple them up, I'm assuming they're going to. Yoo-hoo!
Yeah.
Hello!
Hello. Because there's one night and there's one dark. See? Mum, one night and one dark.
There is, yeah. So, is this black one going on to them 2 up there, Ethan?
That's Owl.
That's Owl, yeah. And then the other one's coming back out of the engine shed, look. Oh, none of the coaches have come out back out yet though, have they?
Because I took a lot of engines that will be the type of platform. There's the diesel.
It is, isn't it? Looks kind of like Mavis, doesn't it?
Yeah, sounds like Ford maybe. Letting steam on the trees.
Yeah, it is. Where's that one going then? Oh, to collect them. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's changing the points, look.
They're getting water.
Oh yeah, they're filling him up with water, aren't they? Hiya, cheeky chops.
Let me see if they are doing water. Yeah, they are, look.
Oliver!
There's a pipe for it. There's a pipe for it, Mum. Look, there's a pipe for it.
Yeah, they're filling him up, aren't they, with water? Look.
Yes, it's supposed to be past. Yeah.
And then they're attaching that other one, aren't they?
Yeah, look.
They're coupling them together. Yeah.
Wait, let's see.
Yeah, they're